Hi friend, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so glad you found me today. Thanks a lot for stopping on this video. So as the title says, here in today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you on how to edit and how to show your phone's screen on your video just like this, just like what you're seeing right now on my screen. I'm going to share with you on how to achieve this in just very simple and easy steps here in this tutorial today. All right, here on my channel I share a lot of editing skills. That is, if you want to up your game as an editor, you want to know how to edit your videos, you want to know how to edit your content, I'm here for you. I have a lot of videos here on my channel where I share how to edit and how to up your game as an editor. And also here on my channel I have a lot of videos on sewing I share sewing tutorials, very simple and easy sewing tutorials here on my channel. I want you to go to check that out. Also, have you just seen my face for the very first time, or you've been seeing my face and you've not subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? Please tap on the subscribe button just below this video, and also tap on the bell icon just beside the subscribe button to be a great member of this family. That means that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first person to get notified by YouTube. And guess what? It's free. Okay, YouTube is not going to deduct a dime from you for doing this. All right, subscribe. So thank you so much for tapping on that subscribe button. Thanks a lot. All right, without wasting much time, let's move right into the tutorial. So this is in two ways. Is either you want to show your audience a recorded video of yourself doing some stuff that you want to show to them, maybe how to cook, maybe how to do something. That is what you want to show to your audience, or you want to show your entire phone screen to your audience. So I'm going to show you how to achieve these two steps easily. So the first thing, let's assume you want to show to your audience a recorded video of you doing something. The first thing you're going to do is to tap on your camera, this camera icon, make an introduction of yourself, of what you want to do. Then after that, you go back to your camera again and record what you want to show to your audience. So after you have those two recordings in place, then the next thing you're going to do now is to tap on CapCut. Yes, we are going to be doing this on the CapCut editing app. So you tap on CapCut on the CapCut app. This is what is going to open up for you. This is the template. Now you tap on New Project. Once you tap on New Project, then you tap on the introduction video you made first. You tap on that intro video. That is the first thing you're going to tap on, your intro video. Then you come down to this ad. You tap on Add, and then it gives you something like this. All right, so this is your introduction video. Now at that point at which you want to insert your recorded video, that is at that point at which you want to start showing your audience what you have recorded, what you're doing. All right, now when you get to that point, you tap on pause, then you come down to this overlay, tap on overlay, tap on add overlay. Now it takes you back to your phone's gallery. Now you tap on that video you have recorded, which showed you where you are, doing something. Now you tap on that video, and then you tap on that ad also. Then it brings it like this on your phone screen. Then with just one finger, you drag this to the side at which you want it to be. Maybe this side or this side. You drag it to that side. Now once it's there, then you come down here. You scroll to the left. All right. Now you scroll to the left. Now tap on transform. Then it takes you to this place. Tap on resize. And then it shows you the variations of the video. Now if you tap on 16:9, it means that you want it to cover up the whole screen. But if you want it to be just at one side, tap on 5:8, then tap on this check mark up here, and then it brings you here. All right, then the next thing to do is you're going to go back, then go back again, then go back again. Then you scroll to the left and look for stickers. You tap on stickers. Now you scroll again to the left, until you see this laptop frame. You're going to see like a laptop frame. So here it is. Now you tap on it. The first icon you can see, that is like an iPhone frame. Then you tap on it. So hello, my esteemed and valued viewer. I will drag it to your video, to that your overlaid video. Then you enlarge it. You enlarge it till it's the size of that your overlaid video. All right, you make sure that it fits perfectly into the size of your overlaid video. So you continue to adjust and drag and this. So now you come down here on this iPhone logo here. This red line you're seeing on top here is the length of your overlaid video. So and you have to make sure that it covers up the length of your overlaid video. So you come here at this side, tap on it and drag it. It must stop at where that red line stops. So now let's play it and see a preview of what we have done. So after your introduction and you introduce
Hello my esteemed and valued viewer, I welcome you to my channel. I'm Designed by Tola. Thank you so much for tapping on this video. I'm so much excited about today's tutorial. Do you know why? Because in this tutorial I'll be sharing with you on how I made this white garment sultana cap with a knot at the back. Do you know I specifically made this design for those of us that are not always so comfortable with our cap having the elastic band at the back of the cap? So that is why I made this design, so that you can do you with this particular style. All right, if you want your band tight, if you want your band loose, anyhow you want your band.
Now the first thing you need to do is to scroll down and tap on your screen recording. Okay, once you tap on screen recording, you start. Let's say assume that you want to show them something on InShot and all of that. Then while the phone is on screen recording, you be recording all what you want to do, or what you want to show to your audience on your phone's screen, just like this. You record, whatever. Now when you're done, tap on that screen record again so that you can stop screen recording. Okay, then you go to CapCut. So almost same process but a little bit different. Now at that point at which you want to insert your screen recorded video, you pause. Then you come down to overlay, tap on it, tap on add overlay. Now it takes you to where you have your videos. Now tap on that video you just screen recorded. Then come down to add, tap on add. Now you place it here. So you move it to your preference, either to the left or to the right. You move it there. Then you come down here, scroll to the left, and then you tap on transform, resize. Then it brings you here. Then you resize your photos. I told you 5:8 preferably. Then you tap on this check mark. So once you tap on that check mark, then it brings it here. Now the next thing, you come down here, go back. Then you look for stickers. Tap on, you scroll to the left, tap on stickers, and then you come here, tap on that iPhone icon, place it on it, and make sure that you resize to the length and breadth of your screen recorded video, and voila, that's it. So you if you want it to cover up the whole screen, then I told you that is you have to go for 16:9. But if you want it to be on one side just like this, then you go for 5:8. And then don't forget to expand that phone frame icon to cover up for the total screen recorded video. And then you can continue talking while what you want to show to your audience is being shown on your screen, like you're showing your phone's screen to your audience. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So that is how simple and easy this is. So friends, you can see that is how simple and how easy this is right here. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please, if you're still watching this video right now and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. I want to see, so I can see you in my next video. All right then, till I see you in my next video, have a great day and bye.